Big Mouth sent me this 2-pack of toothbrushes for my review, and I'm excited because I'm going to open it up and try it for the very first time. As I said, this is a 2-pack, but you can also get it in a 4-pack. I'm going with the pink one here. I'm going to leave the gray one for my husband. So I've been seeing these all over the place, and I think it's really awesome because, first of all, you've got this nice wide base here. So this is definitely going to be, I think, my go-to travel toothbrush, because I don't know about you, but every time I'm traveling, you know, oftentimes you're like, where do you put your toothbrush? Nobody likes to put it on like a hotel sink. So this way it is standing up and you know that the head of the toothbrush is not touching anything. I do like that it comes with this really nice case here, or like a cover on the top of the toothbrush. So let's see, I think it just opens up like this and then this slides out. And check that out. That is why this is called Big Mouth, because it is nice and wide. So they do recommend this is kind of like for adults, like, well, 12 years old and up, because obviously this is for, you know, a larger mouth because you've got all that coverage there. It does have a really nice, you know, just like kind of grip here, easy to hold. So what I am going to do is I am going to put some toothpaste on here, get it wet, and we are going to give it a try. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, okay. It's hard to talk with a toothbrush in my mouth, but give me 1 second. So this like covers my whole teeth. Look at this. Look at that. It goes all the way back. It fits very comfortably. Sorry, that's gross. It fits very comfortably, but the whole point of this is that because you have such a wide coverage, you're going to be like brushing your teeth less, because normally we brush our teeth, we go on the bottom, we go on the top. This is literally doing it all at the same time. So instead of bottom and then top, everything is being covered. This thing is awesome. It feels really good. These are soft bristles, which is something that I need. So obviously it's not going to be too harsh on my gums. And yeah, feels really great. And honestly, just those couple of strokes, I just feel like I've already finished brushing my teeth because it's just that whole coverage there. This thing is awesome.